Good morning. Welcome back again to English classroom. Hope all of you are fine. So my dears, we did some activities in the last class. So today also let us continue our activities. Are you ready? Okay. All of you listen carefully. In the last class, I taught you about singular and plural. Do you remember? Singular means one, plural means more than one. So, I will show you a chart of singular and plural. All of you look here. Singular, plural. So here first word is book. Book means only one book. What is the plural form? Books. Book, books. I add an S here. Book became books. Next, tomato. Then, tomato means only one. Now, what is the plural form? Tomatoes. Tomatoes, you see what is the change? Here, tomato only one. Here we add ES. So, tomato became tomatoes. Next, leaf. Leaf means only one. Now, how did we change it? Look here. Leaves. Here the spelling is L-E-A-F. Here L-E-A-V-E-S. So instead of this F, here V-E-S-K. So leaf became leaves. Next, girl. Girl means only one girl. Now here you see girls. I add S at the end. Girl became girls. Last one, child. Child means only one. What is the plural form of child? Here, can you see? Children. What is the plural of child? Means only one. Children means more than one. So here we studied about singular and plural. So I will read it once more. All of you should repeat with me. Book, books. Tomato, tomatoes. Leaf, leaves. Girl, girls. Child, children. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood about singular and plural. So in your textbook page number 20, you have to write the correct plural forms. Here you can see 5 questions. Singular form is given in the bracket. You have to write its plural form. All should do that. Next, imagine you are the monkey leader. So do you remember a monkey leader? So imagine you are the monkey leader. Now some list of items are there in front of you. So many things are there. What will you allow the other monkeys to eat? Other monkeys are also near you. So you are the leader monkey. What all things will you give to other monkeys? So I will read the list. Papaya, stone, rock, mango, chirpy, apple, guava, grass, sticks, water, grapes. Did you hear the words? Okay, these all things are in front of the leader monkey. All other monkeys are sitting nearby. So what all items will this leader monkey give to other monkeys? Can you tell me? Yes, tell me. What about papaya? Yes, very tasty, sweetie, isn't it? So do you think this leader monkey will give papaya to other monkeys? Yes, very good. So we can write, you can see here some space is there. Here you have to write the answers. So here you can write papaya. Next, stone. Will you give a stone to somebody to eat? If you are the leader, will you give somebody, you can eat stones. Will you give it? No. Rock, will you give a rock? No. Mango, what about mango? Surely you will give, isn't it? Yes. Chirpy, chirpy means a sound. Nothing. Apple, will you give? Yes. Guava, will you give? Sure. Grass, will you give them grass? No. Sticks, will you give sticks? Never. Water, will you give them water? Yes, you can give. What about grapes? Yes, you will give. So if you are the leader monkey, what all things you will give to other monkeys? Will you write in your textbook? Okay, you have to do. Now we are coming to the right scope. Fill in the blanks to complete the story. So here you can see a passage is given. Answers are written below in this box. You have to read it, choose the correct answer, fill here. So I will read. The monkeys went on a dash. They went on a, do you remember the lesson? Yes, tell me. Answers are here. Fast, time, ended, eat, skin, mouth, gut, hole. What's the answer? Yes, monkeys went on a fast. You have to write the fast. They said they would not dash while the fast was on. What did they say? They would not eat while the fast was on. After some dash, they took off the dash of the banana. After some time, yes, good, they took off what? The dash of the banana. Tell me. Yes, skin of the banana. They put the banana in their dash. What did they put the banana? Yes, in their mouths. Then they dashed the banana bite. After putting it inside the mouth, what did they do? Yes, they gulped. They ate it quickly. They ate the banana and dashed the fast. What is the answer? They ate the dash, whole banana, the full banana, and dashed the fast. What is it? Yes, ended. They stopped. So did you get the answer for all this? So by that we finish this activity too. All of you should copy this in your textbook. Next is phonic scope. Phonic means connected with our sounds. So I am going to say pronounce a sound, a letter. First of all, I will say a word. You have to listen carefully. Deer, deer. Which is the starting sound? Tell me. D sound. Next, card, card. Which is the ending sound? D. Okay? So here you can see some pictures. Look at those pictures and write its spelling here. So what is the first picture? That is a dog. How can we pronounce it? Dog. D. So here you have to write dog. Next, what is this? Bed. Bed. D sound here. Next, what is this? Door. How will you pronounce? Door. D. Okay? Now, in the next page, here, you can see 3 more pictures. Here, first one, desk, desk. Next, duck, duck. What is this? Birds, birds. We heard a D sound. So all of you should fill this. Now, I will show you a picture. Okay? So, pictures go here. You can see a picture. In your textbook also you can see the picture. You can see some more persons near this. Who are they? They are the monkeys. They are animals. Isn't it? So here you can see some bananas. And on each banana some words are written. Please check the spelling of these words. Are they correct? Yes, some are correct. Some words are wrong. So, Tinu monkey has to collect 5 ripe bananas for his friends. So help him to get these bananas by circling the correct spelling here in the textbook. You can see this colorful picture. Here you can see Tinu monkey and other monkeys. You can see the picture of bananas. The same you can see here also. So this monkey has to collect 5 ripe bananas. So will you help our Tinu monkey to collect these bananas? So you have to tell which word is correct. You have to circle it. Tell me, look here. MONKIYS. Is it correct, children? No, because spelling is wrong. Next, BUNCHIS. Is it correct? No, this spelling also is wrong. Next, banana. What is the word? Jump. JUMP. Is it a correct spelling? Yes, that is a correct spelling. So, we can tick this. So, this is a correct spelling. Next, ATE. 8. Is it correct? Yes, correct. We can put a tick. Next, FROOT. Is it correct? No, that is wrong. What about next? PEILED. Is it correct? No, that is also wrong. Look here. MOUTH. Mouth. Is it correct? Yes, so we can tick this. Next. KIPT. Is it correct? No. Here. BUNCH. Is that spelling correct? Yes, this is correct. Last word, FAST, fast. Is it correct? Yes, this also is correct. So now let us see how many bananas have correct spelling. You can see here, jump, correct. 8, yes. Mouth, correct. Bunch, correct. Fast, that also is correct. So we got 5 correct spellings written on these bananas. So our Tinu monkey, this is Tinu monkey. Tinu monkey need 5 ripe bananas. So can we give those 5 ripe bananas to our Tinu monkey? Yes, we got the answer. So we can give those bananas to our Tinu monkey. Now, fun scope. Here you can see some small sentences. This is a riddle. We call it as a riddle. So you have to read it and identify who is this, who is telling. First one, I have 4 legs. I hate cats. I can bark. I am a, who's that? Yes, you have to say the answer. I am a dog. Okay, so the remaining some questions are there. You have to read and find out the answer. All these are very simple. You can easily get the correct answer. Okay, I will read one more. I have 8 legs. I can scare you. I can spin a web. I am a, who spins a web? Who has 8 legs? Yes, I am a spider. So I told you 2 answers. Remaining, you have to find out. So all of you do this activity and send the answers to your teachers. Will you do that? So it is time to wind up today's class. We can meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.